Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's videos, I'm going to show you and tell you the best Google Docs add-ons to boost your productivity. So this is a list of the best Google Docs add-ons that can supercharge your productivity, whether you are a student, professional, or writer. So in here, the first one is Grammarly. So the purpose of the add-ons is enhanced writing by checking the grammar, spelling, punctuation, and tone. So it is ideal for writers, editors, and anyone crafting police documents. So I actually already have the Grammarly uh, add-ons in here. You can see at the bottom. And the second one is Doc Tools. So it offers quick text formatting tools. It's ideal for simplifying document formatting. You can get it on the Google Workspace. So you can go to Add Extensions, Add-ons, and get Add-ons. And the third one is the Easy Bibliography Creator. It automates citations and bibliography generation. So you can just search for Easy Bib in here, and you'll find it on the Google Workspace Marketplace. There's also this others of the same type. And then there's also the table of contents. You can find it on the Google Workspace Marketplace. It will automatically generate and update a clickable table of contents, and it's ideal for organizing large reports or ebooks. You can get it on the Workspace Marketplace. There's also Translate that will provide translation directly within Google Docs. And there's also another add-ons that is not available in here, but you can get it, such as Form Publisher, Speech Recognition, Word Cloud Generator, MindMaster, that you can where you can add and edit mind maps directly into Google Docs. Here, that you can also add Canva add-on. You can open Canva and connect it to your Google Docs. Here, if you want to, you can also add a built-in timer where you can time working or task management. So it's ideal for writers and productivity enthusiasts. Timer right here. And if you want to access add-ons, you can just easily here go to Google Workspace Marketplace. But first, you need to check for the compatibility and permissions before installing, and disable or uninstall add-ons you no longer use to keep Google Docs clutter-free. So by integrating these add-ons, you can elevate your productivity and make Google Docs an even more powerful tool for work or study. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.